Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your H&R Block account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and access your tax preparation and filing services. Step 1. Visit hrblock.com and click on Sign In or My Account in the top navigation menu. Step 2. Enter your username or email address and password to log into your H&R Block account. Step 3. If you're a new user, you may need to verify your email address first. Check your inbox for a verification email from H&R Block. Step 4. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your email address and activate your account. Step 5. After logging in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your name or profile icon in the top right corner. Step 6. Select Account Settings or Profile from the drop-down menu. Step 7. Review your account information to ensure all details are accurate, including your name, address, email, and phone number. Step 8. H&R Block may require identity verification for security purposes, especially when accessing tax documents or filing returns. If prompted, click on Verify Identity. Step 9. You may need to answer security questions based on your credit history and personal information. These questions help H&R Block confirm your identity. Step 10. Provide any additional information requested, such as your social security number, date of birth, or previous address if applicable. Step 11. For two-factor authentication, set up a secondary verification method such as SMS text messages or an authenticator app to add extra security to your account. Step 12. Once all verification steps are complete, you'll receive a confirmation message and have full access to your H&R Block account for tax preparation, filing, and document management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.